Yeah, the 9th of December, Tuesday. My wife and I be going out to have a steak dinner this evening for our anniversary that was yesterday. Swung by a little building. I gotta kill a little bit of time. Say goodbye to the garden. It's going to get down to 27 degrees in a few days. And that will finish out the volunteer tomatoes. Volunteer okras already died. Kale doesn't care. Broccoli doesn't care. It can handle down to about 22 degrees. Just telling the wife I still haven't sprayed for my fall spraying. And it's supposed to be a warm, wet winter. For the most part it is. But we're getting sub-freezing temperatures and cool to cold days. And it's not even close to our winter yet. The other day I sprayed the green growing in this gravel patch and rained the following day, but I'd mixed the herbicide pretty stout and it had killed most of the green. If you want to grow grass, lay down gravel. Boys up the hill, they're missing about 5 people, which is peculiar. One of their more senior employees, she's not here today. She could be sick. You know, there's a lot of flu going on in this area, so could be she's sick. Yeah, I don't see much green in my lot now. It's mostly just dead grass, so frost might have got to it. I actually might be shipping something in a day. Unusual occurrence. I went today and got my hair cut, so I'm all pretty again. $20 with tip. Went to my eye doctor today. I got a problem with high pressure on my left eyeball, and he did that laser procedure. Using a laser, poked a bunch of holes in the back of my eyeball, try to get the pressure down, and the pressure did not drop, so that was a fail. So he prescribed yet another eye drop, and I'm gonna start using my existing eye drops 3 times a day now instead of 2, along with the new one, left eye only. He said it has a side effect of turning my eyeball red. I don't give a damn less about that. And if that doesn't work, they're going to check it again the 1st of January. If that new eye drop doesn't get the pressure down, he says he's going to have to do an early cataract surgery and install a couple stints. I said, well, it works for me. You're the expert, not me. So we'll see. And the strange thing was, when he checked my vision today, my left eyeball was 20/20. Dead nuts on. Actually better than my right eyeball. Yeah, all part of getting old, I guess. I trust the doctor. He's a good one, young fella. He knows all the current procedures. And for cataract surgery, it doesn't upset me one way or the other. Told him if we're going to go the surgical route, I need to hurry up, because I go on Medicare 1st of April next year, and they're all set up with my current insurance, which I'll be on until March 31st. And so for billing purposes, it'd be a whole lot easier to do it before March 31st and get it on this current insurance that I have. So, but my out-of-pocket copay and deductibles all reset January 1st too, so we'll see. ordered a replacement passenger backrest for my Harley Ultra that the raccoon ate. That was a quick $334 out of my hip pocket. At least they're still available. I did not have to go aftermarket. I was able to go genuine Harley Davidson part. They tend to fit better and match the existing upholstery. So, hope that raccoon enjoyed that vinyl. Never did have to trap it. The mama raccoon came up to the house and looking for the baby, juvenile. Found it. They talked back and forth for a couple minutes, and then the mama led the juvenile back to the nest they're in, so I didn't have to trap it. Again, it's one of God's creatures. I don't see any reason to harm anything. God blessed me a lot during my life, and I retired comfortably, and I can afford a $335 backrest for a Harley. But bird feeders, still I need to fill them yet, and even the bird bath is maintaining its level, so I'm not getting many migratory birds over here, which is not unusual. And, I'll keep the feed for them and keep the bird bath full so they got water too. There's a creek right across the street, so I don't like to go and die of thirst. It's just convenient for them to have water here. I always see sparrows when I pull up, but in the summertime I was seeing hundreds of doves and 100 sparrows all at the same time. That time of year, they all migrated south to seek out warm weather. So anyway, I'll sit here and drink some coffee and smoke a cigarette and kill some time, then go back up to the pharmacy and get my new eye drops. So that's all for this one. Thank you.